Hello everyone. Because the labor cost increasing year by year, manufacturers want some automatic packing machine. Today I'm going to introduce one of our automatic packing machine. Is to pack the hardware to the large carton mainly. So let me start from this conveyor first. Is to reject the unqualified product. This conveyor is to connect the small case packing machine. After the packing machine, you can see there is a small case come to this conveyor, and then people need to set up the target weight which he wants on the touch screen. And later, if the weight of this package is over or under the target weight, this pusher will reject the unqualified product to this small desk. And here, present device, this is to press the box, and later you can see this vibration device is to make the package more firm. And later we'll come to this case flipping device is to flip the cage over, and then we came to this large carton packing machine. And then we came to this cases packing machine is to pack the small cases in large carton. In this system, a customer need to pack the 4 cases in one large carton. And here you can see this is the empty carton, and this is the lid of the carton, and this is the bottom of the carton. The workers need to put the empty carton on this name of your conveyor, and then we will come to this packing machine. And you can see air cylinder will rise this bottom. The small cases will cover they will transfer the package to this device, and then you can see this lid of the carton will be transferred to that way. And now you can see this lower conveyor can adjust to the upper and lower. It's to collect the package at the end. And later we come to this strapping machine. It's only 2 straps on this box, and the package will rotate to 90 degrees and come to another. This is the labeling machine. Customer need to label on 2 positions, so there is another flipping device on this labeling machine. And later we will come to another strapping machine. Need to strap at another 90 degrees. And then it rotates to 90 degrees again. And now we come to the palletizer. In this system, customer need to pack 8 cartons in per layer. In this palletizer, the max we can pack is 15 layers. It depends on the size of the carton. The smaller carton is the more layer it can pack. We call it laser printer. We don't need to use the ribbon or the ink. It's environmental friendly, and people can edit anything he wants to print on the carton. He just need to edit something he wants to print, and on the touch screen, it's very convenient for worker if he wants to change something in some time. I'm going to introduce the labeling machine. This also is very convenient for worker because it's all the content in real time. Customer just need to printing the content here, and then it will print the label. The label will be stick on this carton, and he can adjust the direction which he wants label on the carton. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye.